Okay, so if you want to stream directly from your Xbox to your Twitch account, it's a very simple process to do. So on your controller, push the Xbox button. And then on the menu here, you're going to scroll to the Capture and Share tab. Scroll down to Live Streaming. And you're going to get this screen. So what you're going to do on this screen here is you're going to take your cell phone out. You're going to scan it. And it'll come up with a code and it'll ask you to activate. So you're going to activate it. And then on your phone, it'll tell you to authorize. And you do that. And voila. You get to go live now. And from here, you can hit go live. You can change your stream name. If you have a webcam, you can plug a webcam into one of your USB ports. You have audio options as well. Once you're done all that, you just hit go live and you're off and streaming to Twitch. And it's as simple as that. If you like this tutorial and you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on notifications to be notified of the next tutorial I put up. Thank you. Have a great day.